Hello everyone, I am Arav Atre and today I am here to present you my MIT App Inventor project that I am including in Coolest Projects. So here is the code code portion, what you say block portion and designer portion. So now I'll be answering some questions that are being asked and the app's name is Hit the Mole. Okay. So first question is why did you choose to make this project? So I choose to make this project because I thought that this will increase like tapping speed, reacting speed of fingers. Now second question is what did you find difficult while making your project? So I found difficult was the block part, of course, because attaching some blocks is quite difficult. Otherwise no problems were faced because this was an easy one. And I worked it out by taking reference from Google and YouTube. Now, is there anything you would do differently? Yes, I want to make changes. Like, I want that this may say like something appreciating. Okay, so I think that is something that I want to add. And you can see this, you can have a look. Now I'll show you that how it works on phone. Like I want to add many things, like adding something which appreciates with many things. Like you can see we have to tap on mole to make a score, so we are tapping and it's, you can see on the bottom of the screen the score is being presented. So if you want you can get it also, it is very nice game. And with reset button, if we are clicking on the reset button, it appreciates. And I want that this must be more, there may be more options, like not only it must appreciate with one line, it must appreciate with many. So I'll make a program of that, but till now we can enjoy this game, it is very good game. So thank you all for watching this, I hope you guys enjoyed it.